Hi guys, so we are making yummy meat pie. So this is me trying to make some meat pie. I was trying to go out for my daughter's appointment. I said, okay, let me mix the dough before I move. Yeah. So this is me trying to make the dough. Yeah. So add my dry ingredients, everything together and mixed. Yeah, as you can see, at least this stuff on the screen. So this is the butter. I add enough butter, so yeah, I want it to be soft. So I added more after the stick one. Added this one. So wash my hand to mix very well, so you can make some little crumbles. So this is how it is after the mixed. So I used 4 eggs for the meat pie. So I use some liquid milk. Sometimes I add some, what do they call it, condensed milk, but I said, okay, let me use just ordinary milk. Yeah, so that's what I used. So after that I mixed it. So this is me when I so this is when I came back from the appointment. I returned from the appointment, so you can see I'm still wearing my hair because I used the glue to fix the frontal, so I couldn't remove it then. So I said, okay, let me do this. It's already getting late, around that 5 in the evening. So my daughter was sleeping. She took a lot of injections. So I said, okay, let me do this thing fast before she wakes up. Because if she wakes up, she's gonna be like cranky, fuzzy, and all that. So okay, let me do this before she wakes up. So this is me trying to do the meat, the filling for the meat pie. So that's my carrots. I added everything. So my potatoes, I cooked it a little bit. Yeah, so this is my curry. I added some salt and some audible. So I add some flour to thicken it a little bit. You guys know oil used to come out from the meat. I sieve it a little bit. So the kids were disturbing me. Mommy, somebody's at the door, so I had to go and check. And she's already up looking at me. So I gave her some of the stuff to eat before I make her food. So yeah. So I put the dough in the fridge before I left. So I didn't bring it out in time, so it didn't thaw out very well. So before I mixed it, it thaw out. So that's why it looked like it's kind of hard when I was cutting it. So yeah, it's me trying to mix it. And my son was disturbing, Mommy, I want to help you. I want to help you. They were just disturbing me in the kitchen because I don't like to cook late. I want to cook so fast and get up from the kitchen. So I said, okay, when I'm doing the last part, you will help me. He said, okay. He kept disturbing me. So later on, I asked him to come. Yeah, come and do. You want to roll the dough? You want to roll? Look at him running around the kitchen, disturbing me all the time. I said, okay, I don't want you to waste my time. I'm gonna give you a chance to do. He said, okay, mommy. After he come back, Mommy, did you call me? I'm ready, Mommy. This boy, he disturbed me like crazy. He keep coming, keep coming. I said, okay. Unless I gave him to roll. Yeah. So this is me doing it. I bought this red tail, but when I use this to cut it, I'm using it to cut it though, but when I put the stuff in there, it doesn't cut it like give the shape of the what do you call the meat pie. Yeah. But it's good. It's helping me to carry it around than using the plate and using knife to carry it. That's how I used to do it before. Well, it was going fast, moving fast. Yeah. So I'm adding the filling little by little. It's not that I added much because the shape that I used, it wasn't cutting it like making it wide, so I have to add a little filling, but I have to add more filling so that all of them will have more filling in. inside. So I want kisses. I want kisses. I have to give him some kisses to eat. Kids, they can disturb. So this is me trying to, okay, asking to come and help me. Oh yeah, it's your turn. Come and roll. He couldn't even move it. I had to help me on the move it. Yeah, but he was wasting my time. I'm like, okay, that's it. Yeah. So I make him happy. He was like, okay, he's not happy and calm because he rolled the dough. So I'm done. So I'm trying to use the egg to, shine it. And it's ready. I cooked off camera though. Yeah. I baked it. Look at how it is. So yummy, 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 yummy. And this boy, he ate like, is it three? 3.5?